Hello, everyone. Welcome to PrimeTech Automotive YouTube channel. I got this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander ZK model. I'm just going to perform a front wheel bearing change. As you see on this video previously, there was an excessive play on the left-hand front wheel bearing. And also it was making noise. So here's the steps, guys. First of all, I'm going to remove the brake caliper, and as you see before, I hang it on the shock absorber, the front strut coil spring, not to damage the rubber pipes. Now the second step, now I'm removing the tie rod end, disconnect the ball joint, and the next step I'm going to do is the loosen the axle nut. And as you can see now, I just remove the ABS sensor. That's one important steps. Remove the lower arm ball joint bolt. That's a 14 mil, and this is 19 mil nut and bolt. And disconnect from the shock absorber. And also now I'm just going to remove the full knuckle arm out from the car. So I choose the correct adapters, and now I'm just removing the hub to get into the inner bearing. So as you can see now, there is a snap ring. This is a bigger circlip. It is very tricky to remove, but if you have like proper tool like circlip pry and stuff, you can remove easily. But if you can get someone's help, that's easy removing this circlip because it's pretty strong and tight. If you do this yourself, I highly recommend that you use protective eyewear because this snap ring is easy to jump out when you're removing. So what I did while holding the snap ring, I use a flat screwdriver separate from the hub area and use a rag and keep it safe without popping out. As you can see now, I just remove them and use the correct adapter. Now I'm going to remove the bearing. If you have a hydraulic press, this is very easy process, guys. The bearing is off now, as you see. So here's the old bearing, and that's where the magnetic ring is. That's picking up the ABS sensor signal. So if you wanna look up where it is, use a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, feel the magnet sticky feeling, and make sure when you install it, use the correct side. As you see now, where the ABS sensor goes, that's where the bearing facing. So when you press the bearing, do not ever force into the middle of the bearing. That's going to damage the bearing. So that's why I use the outer razor, the outer of the bearing, or the full surface area, as you can see on the flat surface. Now you can see I did not force into the middle of the bearing. I'm using the outer razor, the outer sleeve of the bearing, to press it in. So once you press it in, the next step is to fit the snap ring with the circlip back into the knuckle where it sits. the inner razor, the inner sleeve, usually stuck onto the hub side. If you're replacing the complete hub with the bearing, you don't have any dramas. But here, I use the grinder, just cut the inner sleeve and slide it out from the hub itself. Do it carefully without damaging the hub. And now the time to press the hub back into the bearing. So when you press the hub, try something to hold out the back of the bearing. Otherwise, the inner sleeve of the new bearing can be forced out. Alright guys, the job is pretty much done. Feel the difference once you fit the bearing back in. I'm not going to show you on this video the installation process. It's a quick rundown video now you can see. Yeah, so there are other videos that I work on the cars. I'm just uploading them to my channel to help someone who DIY, but I highly recommend when you guys doing repairs, get qualified mechanic to work on. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment if you can. Thank you very much.